What's up, guy? Today I'm going to show you how to download a million ton of video in TikTok 2026. Bulk download multiple video whole user in TikTok without TikTok logo watermark, just one click. First, download software that we will download all video in that software name JDownload2. I kept link in description of this video, or you can follow my step.
Beautiful. It catches me when I'm falling down. It turns my whole world right around. I don't deserve a second chance, but you invited me to dance. You're singing songs over my head. You're giving life to what was dead. Higher than the mountains, deeper than the sea is the radical mercy you poured out on me. Mercy, mercy forevermore. Mercy forevermore. I came here with a heavy load, walking down a lonely road, but your mercy met me at the door. Now I don't feel that weight no more. It's radical, it's beautiful. Your mercy's more than beautiful. It catches me and I'm falling down. It turns my whole world right around.
After installed ready, this software couldn't download yet. We need to go to Setting and choose Account to add TikTok our cookie user, and download Link Grabber also get video's URL. Entire user TikTok copy passed into it to download. Follow my step.
You poured out on me. Mercy, mercy forevermore. Mercy forevermore. Forevermore. Mercy forevermore.
You need click Copy Cookie Link from Tool Extension Chrome installed ready that we download before in Tab our TikTok user, click icon of Cookie Copy Tool. Follow my step to get full video download in JDownloader.
But you invited me to dance. You're singing songs over my head. You're giving life to what was dead. Higher than the mountains, deeper than the sea is the radical mercy you poured out on me. Mercy, mercy forevermore.
After installed everything ready, enter to any user TikTok account, scroll down to last video of first video upload from that user at last bottom of timeline, user click icon, grab link, get URL video. Follow my step, then copy all URL video passed into JDownload. Wait for finish setup direct folder, untick subfolder to get only video.
But you invited me to dance. You're singing songs over my head. You're giving life to what was dead. Higher than the mountains, deeper than the sea is the radical mercy you poured out on me. Mercy, mercy forevermore.
Boom. Enjoy. Subscribe for more.